Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. So if you haven't already, I would be happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. This video is in collaboration with Minnie's Challenge, and this is crafted by Corie. And if you haven't already, please be sure to visit her channel. I'll leave the link of her channel in the description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. So after you have viewed mine, please do click on the next video in the playlist. You would not be disappointed. You'll get so many beautiful videos with great inspirations. So today I'm going to do a couple of projects. So let's get started. full of all my minis in this video. So let me start with this beautiful yellow bee stand, I would say, or maybe we can call it as beehives. And like you saw the process that had already bees figure in there, so all I had to do is color them up and then brighten it. And I just, like you saw, I just painted black and in patches and in the wings as well, and eyes, and also I bordered everything with Sharpie. And same I did, I painted black in the patches of its body, and then using Sharpie, I just highlighted the borders of this bee, and they are so beautiful. After highlighting, it's like the bees are flying towards the hive. And this is one of the tag from the gift bag, and I just tied it around, and it also goes well with the theme, so I just did that. And top of it, I just gave some florals and some greeneries. So I'm absolutely loving this. So let me know your thoughts on this. And the next project is this cute trinket box. And then I basically, I didn't do much. I basically used those skinny letters which are in gold. And then I just transferred everything on this like bee true. So with the bee, golden bee in the center, it looks gorgeous. I'm very much in love with this, so let me know your thoughts on this as well. And the third one is this cute headband wrapper, and this had like a white and black stripes, so with some florals on it. So I just covered all those letters with those appropriate colors wherever they were, and then the white area I just painted black, and then I wrote be kind using the Sharpie, and I just attached it to one of my garland that I did for previous project. I just gave it as a tag, so I'm absolutely loving this as well. So let me know your thoughts on this too. And I laid this on one of the basket, the golden color, and this is the stove topper, the small one. I just painted chalk paint black, and then I gave it as a pedestal. So this is all looking together so beautiful. So I'm very much in love with this project. So let me know your thoughts on this and which one you like, and you want to give any comments towards my channel. I would appreciate that. That will let my channel grow. And like I always say, I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.